How to change app install settings in the Google Play Store. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to manage your app installation preferences. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap Network Preferences to access download and installation-related options. Here, you'll find settings such as App Download Preference, where you can choose whether apps download over any network or only over Wi-Fi. This helps you control mobile data usage when installing new apps. You can also check Auto Update Apps and decide whether apps should update automatically over Wi-Fi only, over any network, or not update automatically at all. Depending on your Play Store version, you may see additional installation and verification settings that help improve app security and manage downloads more efficiently. After making your changes, simply exit the Settings menu. Your new Google Play Store install settings will be saved automatically. That's it. Now you know how to change app install settings in Google Play Store and manage app downloads the way you prefer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android and Google Play Store tutorials.